Ethiopian style. So this is called in Ethiopia, or as I know, fish goulash. I have no idea where the word goulash ever got into the Ethiopian or Amharic language, but everywhere I go in Ethiopia, restaurants I go to around the world, this is asa, which means fish goulash. You can use any type of fish that you want. It's a bit spicy. You can see it's got quite a lot of chili on there. It's really easy to make. Let's get on with it. How to cook great food is back again. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at our fish. Now I've got a fish here called Nile perch, which is an Ethiopian fish, or one of the fishes that's available in Ethiopia. Now Ethiopia is a landlocked country, so there's not a diverse amount of fish. This is one of them. Now you could be using any fish you want. You could be using salmon, cod, or whatever you like, kingfish or something like that. I've got some kind of steaks here cut. Now I've got 1 kg or 2.2 pound of this fish here. What we're going to do is we're going to get some flour, season it with salt and pepper, and we're going to flour the fish and fry that off first. So I've got about 4 tablespoons of flour there, which is probably too much. Generous amount of salt, generous amount of pepper. Just simply mix that together. Got an easy seasoned flour. We're then going to take 1 piece of the fish, or the asa. That's it, like that. Let me repeat the process. We're at the cooker. Okay, so I've got a frying pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. The word in Amharic for oil is zait. We're just going to get our fish. We're going to put it in. The heat is on. And we're going to fry this fish just for like 3 minutes aside. And then we're going to take it out and then we can move on to the next process. I'm going to have to do this in a couple of batches. Not enough room in there for all my fish. Okay, so that's our fish there. Now, don't worry if you don't think your fish is cooked all the way through, because we're going to be cooking this again later. We're going to make a nice kind of the stew now, the kind of goulash, and get it in. So yeah, no, don't panic about it. Okay, so our fish is done and set to one side. Here I've got 4 tomatoes. Now try and use a nice ripe tomato because we really want to cook them down. The word in Amharic for tomato is timatim. Here I've got 1 onion cut nice and small. Again, the word in Amharic is shinkut, karia, or fresh chili. You can put as much or as little in as you like. Salt or chow. Erd, 2 teaspoons of erd or turmeric. And here, net shinkut or garlic, I've got 1 tablespoon. We're going to start this off with some olive oil now. We might add a little bit of water depending on how well our tomatoes cook. So here we go. I've got a pan here, olive oil in there. The word for oil in Amharic is zait. We're going to drop in our shinkut or onion, cut nice and small. We're going to drop in the garlic or net shinkut. We're on an above medium heat and we're going to go for 4 minutes. There you go, just 4 minutes. Next up, we're going to add some salt and the turmeric or erd. 2 minutes, keep it moving all the time now. Really, really easy, this one. Okay, the tomatoes, 4 regular sized tomatoes. Like I say, try and use a nice juicy, ripe tomato. We're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes now. Really want to kind of cook the tomatoes down, hopefully to nothing. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so I didn't need to add any more water. My tomatoes were juicy enough, nice and ripe. If you want, you could add a bit if it didn't come out like this. Now, I don't want it like in a big sort of soup. I just want it to sort of be covering the fish or the asa. So yeah, if you want, you can kind of add a lot more liquid to it as you require. So next up, we're now going to grab our fish, we're going to drop it all in. So we get it all in there, there's quite a lot of fish here. And then I'm going to turn the heat down to a simmer, which I've just done right now. I'm going to get a lid on that and I'm going to let it go on a nice simmer for about another sort of 7 or 8 minutes. What I want to do is just kind of spoon over onto the fish, but I'll do that halfway through the process. Lid on, nice and low. See you soon. And there you go, just taking the lid off and I've spooned over the sauce halfway through the process. Only one more thing, we're going to get our fresh chili. We're going to put that in. That might look like a lot, but if Rahel was making that, there'd be like 3 times as much in there, I think. Beautiful. It's ready to serve. Check it for salt, by the way. Okay, and there you go. That is known as asa, or fish goulash. Again, I've no idea how the word goulash got into the Amharic language. And Rahel, by the way, if you don't know, is my wife. You should check out her Ethiopian channel, all in Amharic, but she's a fantastic cook. She's my teacher, actually, for Ethiopian food. But yeah, that's it. Absolutely beautiful Ethiopian fish. I just want to let you know about my other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. In that channel, I'm kind of out and about eating, tasting food and doing lots of stuff. I've recently been in and out of Addis Ababa in Ethiopia, quite a lot actually. I've been there 5 or 6, 7 times maybe. So if you want to check out what's happening in Addis Ababa, what the food's like, go and have a look.